play. Hey, that's how we play. So that's how we play. Hey, that's how we play. So that's how we play. So that's how we play. That's how we play. That's how. Hey, check it. Bad bitches on my dick. That's how we play. Smoking good tree smoker. That's how we play. Drinking good beer, man. That's how we play. That's how we play. Hey, check it. I got your girl. I think she calling my phone. I say she better leave me know, cause I ain't coming back home. I'm really out here somewhere off in the streets. I say, yo, baby, daddy, try me, man. His nigga don't want beef. He better sit his ass down before I go get that yapper. Man, I got big bread like my pockets got waffles. You don't know what's up with me, little daddy. Better get the coppers, cause if I go and get you, man, you know how we gon' rock it. It's like all us niggas round here get blowed. My fucking show look like Jonas Brothers, so and y'all little niggas know how to fucking go. What happened to this fucking flow? Yeah, I don't really know.
Check this out, I can tell you as a matter of fact. If you're riding through the wormhole, this guy's gonna ride a rack. He's gonna ride with us and he's gonna come down and he's gonna see the punk rockers get fucking down. That's what I had to say about that. That's what's happening. Because I can tell you, this is clear of the way. Now, I'm gonna hold the camera.
Once I goddamn lift up
hold the camera.
Cup, all you motherfuckers can suck my goddamn dog. My goddamn boy right here, fucking heaven. Goddamn.
You got the glasses and the eyebrows. You got the words and you got the pounds. From the west to the east. All the way back to the future. And all the way back. Can you get with your nutsack? Time traveling nutsack. Yeah, all up in the hood.
You're gonna make people nauseous. You better be cautious with this volume when I turn it off. Alright, I got all of that. Watch out, better hit the median and flip and reverse. You spin off into the bushes so wild it hurts. Alright, you're like a pin cushion from all this cartilage spraying out. That's blood all over the seat.
From every side. A pin
You better
cushion
believe that
in
you're
your
dying.
Are you a pin cushion? Do you let it happen to you? Or do you choose your very own route? That's who we're gonna bring the. I would like to bring the punk rock show because I think he needs to be around punk rockers. What? Yeah, he wanted to write in the punk rock show, and he seems to need my energy for some odd reason.
You gotta think about the shot you're getting. You know what I'm saying? Why is it, you know? I'm not saying that was a bad shot. Like, why is this shot? See, what I've been doing is just kind of moving it around and stuff. Not, you know, not every shot's different, but at the same time, it's almost like you have that motivation. Like, why is this shot here as opposed to this shot? You know what I mean? What is the difference between this and this?
They're two different people.
Well, yeah, but you know what I mean. The feeling you're going through.
Yeah. Well, I just kind of got the feeling that.
I like giving people halos, you know what I'm saying? Like if you can see this.
Yeah, that's good. I like that shot actually.
Yeah.
I can do that.
Handshake.
It's like you can go through. Shaking the hand.
I do handshakes.
Shaking me down on the ground.
Goddamn, I don't spit no goddamn shit. But if it's from 1896, oh goddamn.
Whoa, party foul.
Why don't you point that camera, point it to the right as long as you can.
Why don't I point this beer in my mouth and I get some napkins and I clean it up?
Hey, that's a good goddamn
Why
idea.
don't you get some napkins and clean it up and don't forget to sweep and fucking mop, motherfucker. You made a mess, you silly sucker. I'm about to put you to work, bitch. It hurts. I just took a big shit.
No, I didn't drop the beer. I'm just drinking it. Oh yeah, but I'll clean it. I'll clean it. I didn't drop it, but I'll clean it. Yeah, totally.
You can't even hold the camera straight. You're fucking normal.
I can hold the camera straight. I can hold it in your face.
The camera. You can blink the snake. Blink the snake.
I'm straight from the future of 1986. I don't give a shit. All these bitches suck my steak. All these goddamn steaks. I'm goddamn tender over my boy. Right here, he's Nick the Snake.
The Nick the Snake. The Nick the Snake. I'm the Rick the Snake. I'm the Rick the Shooter. I'm the shit to bake. I've got more flows than an Irish snake. The bitch is burning. Oh my god, I'm earning. At the slip back with the B sack with the B leg. Just a good useful material.
I don't give a fuck if you suck my goddamn Irish. I'm goddamn Irish and German. These motherfuckers can suck my Irish. I just don't take anybody else. I just don't want to Irish. God damn, I'm speaking German. These motherfuckers can suck my Irish.
He's blue-eyed with blonde hair, with the fucking brown mustache stare. He's the Nazi. He's the motherfucking hypocrisy. Whatever that means, I don't know what it is, but it sounded kind of cool, so I run with the shit. High off the chain, motherfucking shit. Bitch, I'm the one, I'm the motherfucking shit, and I'll still rap this till I fucking leave my fucking breath, bitch. I'm the one that'll ride all the way to the last breath. I'm the motherfucking MC. Who's next? About to fucking test the mess. About to test the mess. Test the mess. Test it. Who's the best? I guess it's me. I guess I'm next. I don't give a damn though. In the high hole. Oh my god, I'm so damn high, yo. I don't know what's up. I see a lot of fakeness from all around me. I'm the fucking snake bitch under the grass. I'm weeding out the fucking weak. I'm the power. I'm the protest. I'm the motherfucking most deaf. I'm the most yes.
Yes.
With stupid right next to me, though.
Motherfuckers gonna take
Stupid next to me. I'm about to fucking rip this shit like goddamn Jurassic 6. I'm about to mix this up in a bit. About to spit this like velociraptors with some wings. I'm about to fly across a couple seas. I'm higher than a goddamn fucking spitter. Master Splinter.
Yeah, we should go to the wormhole.
Oh, no, not that. You still didn't even know. If you would have went for this shot, that would have done it. One time right here.
I still got a few minutes left on this video.
I'm throwing
Don't worry, dude, we got 2 minutes left.
South Swish.
What are you gonna do?
You know I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm looking so fly, baby. I'm so clean. I do my thing. I'm rolling good like a bean. You can't stop me. You know I'm off the vein. You know fresh so clean. I'm similar to Listerine. You can call me Winter Fresh Green. A matter of fact, I be all up on the scene. You see the girl, she be looking at me. My hair cut clean, my shoes, my jeans. I'm motherfucking there from the east. You know it's me, man. I'm a straight beast. I don't stop. This is how I eat from daytime to nighttime, baby. I don't sleep. I can't sleep for a decade. You know I'm in too deep. I gotta get paid. You know I'm in too deep. I know I get paid every day by the hour. You know I fuck with hours. You know I do not fuck with cowards. You know they better get away from me. I power them. I splash them. I blast them. Ask my little homeboy I trash them. Red light like the camera's on. You would think that the camera's on. Man, welcome to the camera zone. And everybody be like, boy, you know them things is on. I got them bangers home. I got whatever, dog. I think you thinking very clever, dog. I'm super smooth, super cool. I'm on my Don shit. You know how I do. Stupid pocket Sean shit. And now you can follow me straight cash. Twitter shit, get your bitch straight ass. Me and eternity. Riding high, getting high into eternity. You know it don't stop. What's up with you? What's up with me? I do it to the 1, 2, 3rd degree. Bitch.
Alright.